Omugala DJ Basimuliwa. Gakubiwa. Tubiyagaliza one time this one. Grown MC Mtona Chabazinga as usual the Fuse live Saturday 9 to 11 a.m. to live again. Yeah. Remember this year we are going to be the award-winning duo. You don't know. Grown MC what was on the ones and twos. We back again. Twina bit nyo ebyo kwogera ko binti ngenda banyumiza story kaga wa radio jetwali last weekend ngenda banyumiza betwali na magezi bani abaja bani abatajja embere aleta mugenda ba mu bibanja Twina MC Cuts tugenda batumwogera ko ne muchala we fie katuno nyo masawo we're gonna be talking about Clever J. Yeah, Clever J, of course. We're going to get a kushia Cindy, We're going to Valentine, we're going to Valentine this very Friday. So, mweteke magazine nera abinji tukira ku masawo abagenyi banti nyo as Heiza tugambe kwali. Actually some of the music we played a Mabegao lately we had some hazy music bakaita back home back home by Hazy kwali alaba big up on you bro. I don't know over MC Katsimwa much start kubanga this song bokebera Hazy song this one na kaimba ka shamika kapia tebuliko kugundi ya Katsimwa ya buli ku pages like they are independent. I don't know whether bachikozenga bo oba bavude wakati I don't know
boze ne shibo kuva mu TNS tujja chogerako
nenga yavuddeyo kwanga yakoze establishment yakoze shiba. Someone told me nti Shiba ye TNS.
Of course. I know
she was your manager.
She's not the boss.
She was your manager, but she is the boss. Yeah, TNS Shiba.
Yeah, CEO.
I'm very sure Shiba yavude mu.
No, like yageza page na teka yo Shiba establishment tegeza TNS. Ate wala bakunyimba zezine zisembye almost ka TNS kabula mu. So ate nengambo zibaddewo.
Like let's talk about that a bit. Goloza nsonga ki eja Shiba mu TNS. Because me I know nze chimanyi Def Chiwa ne Shiba bakwatagana nnyo like mungeri etya
other like it has been so long like babadde
balinga bali mu relationship nti Chiwa badde nga mwami wa Shiba let me say amubedde buli kimunyimba jazimbye it has been Chiwa behind this why would you think Shiba sobrova mu TNS watch oloza chizo mu TNS
ekisokera ddala love issues memkwata business temkwata mu mukwano
yes true love issue by the way olaba abayimbe basinga obungi boja mu relationship actually chawude nya abayimbe banji ndoza Roger yagenza ku maintaininga ne Spice.
How sure are you? Spice tavanga ina alaganto no yiba wangu bono ya nikitegeza
Shiba yabagamba. Of course we know tumanyanga abantu we do a bit of research nze chimanyi sisoboka okubanga Spice ne Roger bayizo baba kolache they're my friends I know. I would say
I saw fear ku stage ngarine ngayambade gundi let me we will have a look at it ngayambade shati ya gundi ya MC Cuts ngamba love
tukena chiplaying echo masa okatunonye
let's be fun
kana kantu ka Shiba okuva mu TNS wabo badalanga yale kuli the TNS tewunyisa
she can't no
who is going to be there Shiba watch that day now who is going to be responsible there
unless
wanga topic achaliyo kaba kwa achaliyo damonos kachaliyo yeah ani agenda okusigala
nenga bonna batambulira under Shiba
yeah under Shiba kigenda bakizibu nnyo omuyimbi nga like Shiba okuva mu TNS okuzaawo omuntu alinga Shiba I know Chiwa sobola he can replace someone namuteka kamanyi naberanga Shiba kisoboka but for a while TNS begenda kukamu Shiba wavayo obero siza abayimbi banja abaliyo okitegeera nga ba topic n'abalala obo basiza because abadde musale nyo mu TNS bwabanga yabudde whereby minganzo omuntu I'm not so sure about that sikakasa yeah awonga tubuddewo we'll talk about like muchala wakati no soko tweko video clip ya bifana ya tweko pixels eza Mutoni fie ngali ku stage ngayamba t-shirt ya
Cuts yali mu London
yeah nete manyi bachakwatagana tweko pixels of blood
Katsi
Tumaiba chakwatagana
Katsi simple Katsi agana mukyala we.
Ne mukyala wa kyamwagala. Twawula ya. That one ya.
Yeah, just have a look.
Have a look. That's fear mutoni mukyala wa Katsi bakyaliwo by the way. Mutugamba ngo tibaya ukana. She's the one you see there at the comedy store. Yeah, actually
we are trending on social media. You see?
That's some shit there. Music wa fear ali ata kusawe no, but let me ask you as a DJ. Music wa fear sawe no ali ata
2020 2019
like the all year mwako gwede no gundo yabade ko no limba last year ifana ibireke brand
aina nyimba nyingi last year yakoze nyimba nyingi yakore nyimba nyingi yakola like brand ways
yeah brand ways yeah we collab
aina mudara
mudara go this year
yeah
this January
Chezo ogera kufira ali talented talent yomuyimirira.
We talk about our music right now. Okuyuga we kuli ya kunzi music anasometeninga music we okumala ne banga of this year anasobola kubanga abade nakayimba kogambye like the one she did the late one tanaba kuongerako
until like 2020 twakatambula ko mwezo
gomo ya
so you can't judge tuchina yo bude you can't
never me basingo bonje ba releases winning waji cause what they are standing this year cause aina kakayimba kapya bakaita batia jangu aina jangu abolaba chosen beki aina
andabo bakoze kuanga
Rema aina clear
mu December tebafurumya November to December tebafurumya so they had to raise in January kati ono mora aina mudala agonga still achakola era chaliko kawekana kwako ngatukuba yo she's talented amani music nyonyo
I know nkaka santu gundo mwaka this year 2020 gugenda kubera mwaka mulonje because abayimba tatise bulonje nina kukiriza
when you got turn up the vibe when you got muko videos zona ziri
okay shiba karunzi akapya kaina the music is very trending yeah ndoza tunatukira mwaka gwa I mean
mwezi wa December kuna music mungi
there will be a lot of music
yeah
awatu wanje jakwa music ngawera
daro yogere kayimba kafika kwetozanye akamuko then you compare Fika and John Black kwata we played both videos
nabagamba chintu chimo ntiyo mwana tagwanga ko
and Fiki
tagwanga ko
Brona listen
listen
Brona
okay
I want to tell you this Fiki taina kubera mu Uganda ne music gwako si wa Uganda you take time and have a look at that video
I am telling you
the style zako pazo Lagos Nigeria
ogenda kusanga omuntu like nga emaba chilira banye someone will tell you Fiki yagwa abuli keti chamu
no wala chasing kwagala ku fake ntiyaja ne style at style je yajiramu abaye ne bagikopa kale bano jikopa yena ajidukamu
na twisting
na jibalekere bigoma byawe guys changing me when
otsegera ne music wakola listen to what music wa mwana ono
ne videos onaze
you know he has got a marriage man
by now so far two songs of the week to now turn up the vibe your video ya collabo ya tujizanye people have been complaining ngawaga manti bako polimbora Bobby Wine abarungi barunana I don't mind the video is good the song is good lyrics nungi Epas is a killer
kutambula manager ngambe mogere ku Chizon Becky ne Iron bangambe wagenze mbale
next time tujabira nabo
man ndi munyivu cyo bomanya netujya ku actually tunyo ku mwana no
tuzanye kurimba
she's very good
Zan Brown the song is good kazanya kakarunji and Vivian Tena ina urimbo rupya what I say ababora bagenda kwevuganya ababora ngabo bamanyi ba batendo baveyo na kitende ba chozeni beki bagendo kwe era Rema watese bibiri bajja mujja because
anakugamba kayimba ka Rema akakiliya nenka comparing na kayimba ka Chozeni Beki I told you Chozeni Beki akoze bulungi
yeah
akayimba ka Chozeni Beki kakoze bulungi nesimi kakoze bulungi okusinga ka Rema no ngamba muno tanaba kuta video Rema nata video ereganya I told you katinga video Chameleon I told you video
like this
I know audio ya baliwa audio tamu
Brona
no ngamba mbuno agenda kupushinga wakola video tena bapushinga
njagaroze kino
video
waliwo abantu betumanyi nti balina okukola enyimba ennungi like John Black like Fake like Eddie Kenzo like ani nti waba fromiza oluyimba tulina okuba nga tulwesunze like Bebe Cool you understand nti kati Rema weyakola gutujja kati yalina okuzaako oluyimba nga lusingako gutujja you understand because gutujja was trending nakuba Kiria wasn't that good enough covering Chiri, you understand? Ntukubanga she's a star, she's been doing good music. I think which is impossible. She was music. What's a hit? No zako hit. When you look at Tuzanyo Rimba Kenzo to Yagare, no comparing any Semiokozo. You see, Semiokozo trending like within 1 week. Everyone was Semiokozo.
Story behind it moved. Yeah, it moved the marriage. We never get it Clever J, we talk about him actually to Malize. To a clip here, Clever J, to Mogilo Katono, then to demo music Katono. Yeah, Clever J. Actually, I get a back to Cindy.
Yeah. Cindy, I'm coming just have a look.
I get a queen, but talk a clip up. I'm cool, Clever J. Jack's young bag and they by tell what, yeah, one day. Bagenda wamu eyo akuba magungu ya abamusanga ali bali mukola matafali ya
that play that key
bamusanga kola bocha matafali ne baba wafene oh you know man Clever je katwero mu blood Kajeo Katuna Nyoya. You're Clever J.
So some years back, people were about Chameleon Yamuroga, you know, Yamusura. What you get a guy who had Janga or Swahili, Gavuganya Kamiri, it's to Gavuganya Kamiri.
It's a bit worth it.
So people are like Chameleon as a Surawa DJ, the collabo. I don't know. It's not the right time. It's not the right time. No, Clever J, it can be a right time. Let me tell you. Cindy Avayo, in fact, a guy, media personality, yari behind all that. As before, Cindy Nagatao, Nebaga, Nebankorachi, Nebamuyamba. So, Cindy trick jariko ayagala ajja performing ku show ye okumukomyawo so Chameleon soko muobudde soko we Cindy time azimbe ekintu kyengawe yali project yengawe yali agiroze then later you'll come back and everyone was surprised about Chameleon era Chameleon yagambye okujja comedy store kulabani Clever Jeters
ne yaso muno nyere jabadde yakubira matafali nze ndowooza nti bwabanga Cindy amalirizawo Clever J Chameleon namwe collab bwekiba kyetagisa bwabasobodde ajimuwe okwandi oziwa kakino kwa collab ateke nyini yakusa wansi yakini Chameleon
has got the new manager mchara
bamwita ni banaye oh my god
gwetu batu bikwasa byone bya Clever J yagala collab
oyo mchara naye nasobola okumanajinga Chameleon
Chameleon, like his name is a chameleon, by the way. It's a star. Njagala Chameleon. Like his name.
Tugenda kumwogera ko masawo katono about the management and ebirala bingi nga tukomye after this musical break. Tukomo like some 10 songs, about 20 songs. We're coming back in a few. Grown MC, mutabani wa Chabazinga atabe Bugembe. Wa DJ Bash on the ones and twos. We coming back in a few years. See me, yeah.